Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in 1 Corinthians chapter 16, verse 14, where it says, "Do everything in love." And I believe that this is a great verse to remind us, even the things that we don't enjoy doing, we should do them in love. And it will just help us have a more positive attitude. And God wants us to love one another, even if it's a person that is not very lovable, that we don't really like to be around. It will just help our attitude towards them and anybody. So for February, I'd like to do a series of love verses throughout the Bible. And this week, I would like to do some lettering with my Tombow marker. I'll probably just use black. And I have my watercolor paints. That's just a simple set from the Daiso store, and then my paint brushes. I'll grab some water and a paper towel, and we'll get started on this entry. love how this turned out. I wasn't even sure what I was going to do with my watercolors, but once I got started, I did like a flat, my brush was probably close to 1 inch wide or just a little bit less than 1 inch, but I just did flat strokes with my colors, and then I went in with the tiny brush and did some hearts. I started out with the lettering and used a pencil and colored as you saw, and I decided to use one of the, it was a kind of a pinkish Tombow marker. It was a little bit bigger, so it's kind of a little bit more difficult to do the calligraphy kind of style, but I did that anyways, and then went in with the black just to pop it off the page. And unfortunately, this side of doing the painting, I thought I was filming and I wasn't, so that's why I went ahead and did this side so you could see the way that the procedure of how I did it. So I hope you like that. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.